Okay, coming back onto the chat now, I'm going to basically give you an overview of the latest work that we've done on eXtended BCU. So I'd like to welcome you in our latest demo for showcasing the GFA Expo within eXtended BCU. Now, this is a pre-alpha build on demo today, and we've recently recreated BCU's Curzon B building expansion, which at the time of development cost £31 million. And if only we got paid that amount for the work we've done, that would be amazing. We've repurposed the entire ground floor for our virtual expo, and this is a small dive into the latest content we've created for today. So let's begin. So eXtended BCU is an open and accessible digital platform aimed at providing an innovative, creative and technological solution for BCU and beyond. And we started the project roughly a year ago during the first lockdown with the goal of creating a new platform for teaching and learning, helping to provide a way forward to define what the new normal actually looks like. The project is cross-faculty and it's being developed using Unreal, and we're working with BCU academics, postgraduate students and periodic consultancy from industry partners. And we're focusing on three core pillars of design. The ability to explore in an open, accessible digital platform, examine work close up, redefining practices, and in the long run being able to deliver gamified teaching and learning content. And finally, experience staff, student, graduate and industry work, providing innovation in connecting and communicating within virtual environments so projects can be delivered by new communities of practice. Our initial work is demonstratable here on PC using simple keyboard controls, and in the medium to long term we want to have AR and VR readiness, as well as being able to demonstrate the work on iOS and Android devices so that they can access the platform. So let's take a closer look at our latest work. So over here, this first area is dedicated to work from the students from the School of Architecture, and we've been collaborating with landscape architecture from the very beginning, and our working methods are proving to be mutually beneficial in terms of knowledge steer and practice development. We're going to now take a walk towards the student work created by our video game students, and the area on the right hand side showcases work from the first year students from our 2-year fast track undergraduate courses. And as you can see, their trailers and walkthroughs are accessible via the monitors on display. I now want to show you another key location in Curzon B, which we've recreated with an eXtended BCU. So we are now in the main lecture theatre known as the Hive, and this room is great for hosting events, shows and conferences. An eXtended BCU means that no pandemic can stop us from showcasing the work created by our fantastic students. I mean, right now we're showing off trailers on the big screens, and what's great about eXtended BCU is that we can actually jump between environments together. So let's jump into this team's work and explore it in more detail. And we're here now inside the map created by the Octopocalypse team, with the ability to transition between key locations and examine the work more closely and scrutinise the 3D. We can appreciate the detail on offer, as well as reflect on how we can improve the work created. And our platform will encourage collaboration, and we plan to enhance this as a core feature as we move forward. By providing this functionality, we can explore, explain and examine whatever we want in new and exciting ways, and then whenever we want, we can jump back seamlessly to the Hive just like this. So we're back within the Hive, ready to go and view the remaining expo. And we're now walking towards the remaining student work, this time from our Year 2 students on our 2-year fast track courses. And again, you can see the trailers and walkthroughs are accessible via the monitors on display. It's also possible to take a more hands-on approach to examine whatever we want. I mean, let's take a closer look at these 3D assets. I mean, eXtended BCU allows us the functionality to manipulate and scrutinize the objects, and the team are developing this feature to increase interaction with the actual objects themselves. We're analyzing research of how people collaborate online to create 3D objects, so we can innovate in this area, backed by enhanced, easily accessible modes of communication. Now, the final area we've created contains the remaining work from the 2-year fast track students, as well as our master's students from Gamer Camp. I mean, within this virtual space, we're only limited by our own imagination. So setting up this exciting thematic area, such as this fantasy display for Viridian, is so much easier to do than compared to real life. We plan to explore and provide features so users can customize and create their own personalized spaces based on the environments that we provide within the platform, so it allows them to express their individuality. We created this platform as a first step in redefining how staff, students, graduates and industry can work together, focusing on new, fun and exciting ways in which we can collaborate in a digital environment. And we've proved that we can review student and graduate work, and we've also proved that we can develop real-world environments in the virtual space. And we're now looking to create more virtual representations of real-world environments, analysing how the real-world spaces and virtual spaces can work in synergy with each other. By researching further initiatives like virtual tours, our brand new up-and-coming gamified teaching and learning activities, and also allowing people to express themselves, meet up and socialise within our platform, we can redefine and develop new communities of practice in a post-COVID environment. I mean, this is important now more than ever before, you know, at a time where the normal's changing. I mean, we're aiming to provide a new solution for the future. eXtended BCU is going to be available to download from our website, where you can download and enter the GFA Expo at your leisure. And for more details, please download the GFA Expo program. Through the ability to explore, examine and experience, we are expanding the new reality. And on behalf of the eXtended BCU team, we thank you very much for watching.